Hey everyone, Jared here with Tile Liquidators Floor and Design in Lincoln, California. And guys, in my 20 years of experience in the flooring industry, I'm gonna bring to you the top 5 flooring mistakes. If you enjoy the content in this video, please like and subscribe. Mistake number 1, not understanding the total cost of your project. You see, before you even pick a material, you're gonna wanna do these 2 things. Number 1, you're gonna wanna decide which areas of your house you actually want to work on. So if you can dial down, we want to do the kitchen, we want to do the living room, we're not going to do the bedrooms. Get very focused on what you're going to want to get accomplished. Number 2, find a local contractor that can come out and give you a labor bid for these said spaces. You see, when you come to a flooring store, we want to be able to help you in the best way we can, and we need to know exactly how much it's going to cost you to put your floor in, which is where the labor prices come in, and then we can help you find the perfect product to fit into the price points that are going to fit your budget for your project. Mistake number 2, buying the wrong product for your personal lifestyle. You see, everybody's different. Some of us have kids, some of us has dogs, some of us have neither of those things. And we're gonna be able to understand that there's gonna be certain products out there that are going to fit your needs. If you need something that's waterproof, we're gonna skew you more towards something along the lines of a laminate or a vinyl or even a porcelain tile. If you don't have any kids in the house, you don't have any pets, and you wanna have the nicest material possible, we're gonna skew you more towards a hardwood. So understanding how your home works, understanding how you like to clean, these are gonna be very important pieces of information for us to help you find the correct product. Mistake number 3, choosing the wrong locking system. Guys, this is gonna be one of the most important aspects of your flooring overall. Choosing a flooring with an angle tap locking system as opposed to a drop and lock or a top lock material is gonna go a long way to ensure that your floor lasts a long time. If you want more information, we have done multiple videos and we'll link them below on just how important and what type of locking system to look for. Mistake number 4, not understanding all the transitions we're gonna need, all the expansion gaps we're gonna need. Guys, this is where having a flooring contractor come out to look at your house before you come see me is such a great idea. You're gonna understand, hey, up against my cabinetry, I can't bring my floor up directly against it. I'm gonna have to cover that with a transition piece. Hey, on every threshold, every single door leading to outside, we're gonna need an expansion piece there as well. So there's gonna be some different looks that you're gonna wanna know about before and understand that we're not gonna be able to take your flooring directly up to cabinetry. We're not gonna be able to take it directly up against the wall. We're gonna need room for expansion to have these floors sit correctly, and this is gonna help your product and your project last a long time. Mistake number 5, not understanding or how to find the correct padding or underlayment for your floor. You see, some floors are gonna have a padding already, some are gonna require you to purchase one. So when you're purchasing an underlayment, we're gonna wanna make sure that's rated for the areas. If it's on a concrete surface, we're gonna need something that's gonna be a water barrier. If it's something that's on the second floor, we're gonna need that padding for sound reduction as opposed to water. So there's just different things that we can use the paddings for. One mistake I can tell you, never double pad your floor. This is going to compromise the locking system. Don't let anybody sell you a secondary pad that's gonna make it too thick, cause too much flexion in your floor, and it's gonna lead to headaches down the road. So there you have it, my top 5 mistakes over my 20 years of experience. And if you guys have any other questions, you can always reach out to me directly. We're here in Lincoln, California. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe.